January 7, 8:30. So the Maytag machine, it's too loose. It's turning loosely, and it's not washing the clothes. So to compare, so this is more. It's not rotating freely as the other one. So this one is rotating freely. So it's not agitating the machine. It's not spinning. So I took the back of the machine, and this is what it looked like. The belt already worn out, so why is the machine not working? It's almost like when you're washing blanket, it's under heavy load, so it's not spinning the drum when the load is heavy. So I think because the belt is already worn out, it's not going to spin the drum. So I have to look at replacing the belt. I mean, this is not even a year, and when I check, this belt is made in Mexico, and as you can see, it's already started to fray, and it's not spinning the machine properly. So this is slipping. And the thing is, these are smooth. So under heavy load, this thing would be slipping. So I'm gonna have to replace the belt. I mean, it's under warranty. They already came to reinstall the belt, but they're coming back in February. I don't know when in February to replace the belt. So I'm just gonna go ahead, buy the belt from Lazada and replace the belt myself. So, thanks for watching.